Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make liposomal curcumin. First, gather your high-quality curcumin powder and sunflower lecithin. These are the two main components for creating the liposomes. You'll also need distilled water and a good blender or ultrasonic cleaner. Ensuring all your equipment is clean is crucial for a successful batch. This process helps your body absorb curcumin much more effectively. To begin, you'll need 2 tablespoons of high-quality curcumin powder. Next, measure out 4 tablespoons of non-GMO sunflower lecithin, which forms the liposomes. For the liquid base, have 2 cups of distilled or purified water ready. The most critical piece of equipment is either an ultrasonic cleaner, which is ideal, or a powerful high-speed blender to properly emulsify the mixture. First, combine the sunflower lecithin with the distilled water in your blender and mix until the lecithin is completely dissolved, which usually takes about 1 minute. Then, add the curcumin powder to this mixture and blend again until it's fully incorporated. If using an ultrasonic cleaner, transfer the mixture and process for 30 minutes. If using a blender, blend for 5 minutes, rest for 10, and repeat this cycle 3 times. Once prepared, transfer your liposomal curcumin to an airtight glass container. It's crucial to store it in the refrigerator to maintain its potency and freshness, where it will last for up to 2 weeks. For usage, a common dose is 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. You can easily mix it into a small amount of juice or water for a pleasant way to consume it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.